Keep pickpockets out of my stuff. Here's my view from my 4th floor. I begin in Lyon, Pardue, and I head off to Interlaken, Switzerland. Here we go. Thank you, Hotel Athena. So I got locked in the bathroom last night, and so I demanded 10 euros back. The guy from last night gave me 10 euros, and then the guy from this morning gave me 10 euros. He kind of gave me 20 euros back, so I got to stay there for $39. Not bad, I'll say. That's pretty cool. I leave to Genève, and it says A, so I gotta find A.
Provenant de Lyon-Perrache et la destination de Genève, départ 10h.
Don't tell anybody, but I stayed in first class. The security person came over and checked my ticket, and he said it was fine. He didn't say anything. I'm hearing quite a bit of English. It's kind of nice to hear. I don't know why, but it is. I got lost there for a moment. So now I'm headed to Bern to head to Interlaken. Right now I'm in Genève. Gotta find platform 4. I'm on the border right now. I'm on the border of Switzerland and France. To Bern I go. Well, I wasn't in Bern for very long. I'm off to Interlaken. I'm almost there. I get this all to myself. All by myself. This whole little room. What? I spot snow on those mountains. Oh my god. How beautiful is that? There's a bowl here. Coincidence? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, first time staying in a hostel. I'm in Interlaken, Switzerland, and there's quite a lot of things to do here. I'm very excited. I'm in a 6-bed room. Check it out. So I am currently shopping for just stuff in general. I'm staying here in Interlaken for 3 days. This is what I've got so far. Some croissants. It's like $2.50. Some yogurt. I'm gonna have it right now because I'm starving. And these little serving-sized jellies for the croissants. See what else I find. I just found some chicken. Just look at this freaking chicken. And that's it. I just shopped for the first time at a supermarket in Europe. Cool. Thank you. Oh, and this mountain. Gorgeous, am I right? Thank you. Thank you. Just, this is beautiful. And I'm back in the hostel. Oh, yes.